we will be talking about agents. So agents are basically systems that can have that can understand the user's query and then decide what to do and finally execute the task so as to achieve a one specific goal, you can say. So in simple terms we can say that agents can have perceive, reason and act. In this video what we are going to do is we will be making a one web search agent. So currently I am using LangChain for and like we have to combine the tools and the LangChain, in this demo. uh, for creating an agent in LangChain, we have to combine both. I told you the large language model LLM and tools. And and what are tools? And tools are you can say external functionalities and resources that agent can use to perform some of the specific task. So let's get started. In this video I have used the Google Gemini 2.0 this large language model. So it's a basically simple code. Here we have to import all the libraries, then we have to create the API key from the SERP API. So I have already created. You can go to the website and create the API, and you have to store into the .env file. So here I am fetching both the keys for the SERP API and the Google API. Let's run one by one. Here what I am doing, I am making a object of the SERP API wrapper class. So here you can see I have make one search tool. So from here we are initializing our large language model. Here I am using Gemini 2.0 Flash. So here I am providing my API key. This is how so each you can say each tool have some like specific way to define these tools. So each tool will always have like this function, um, function and the name and the description. So this is how the tools are defined. So here I am initializing that that tool with the agent initializing agent function. From here we have to pass the tools, large language model and the agent. So here agent is zero shot react description. What that mean is that without any prior training, and so based on the description it will perform the task. And here what I'm doing is verbose equal to 2. That means that entire throughout the process, the like whole thinking process which can we can see on the screen. Let's run the command. So what is the weather? Delhi. Let me run all the things once. Here you can see I need to find out the current weather conditions in Delhi. I can use the search tool to get the information. Action is equal to search, action input in weather input. So this is how it we can see the how it is processing the information here. So at final you can see the output also. So this is basically a simple web search agent.